Competing today in the fast-paced international garment industry demands efficiency, productivity, and the ability to control costs. But what about the tags? Tagging is a labor-intensive process that can quickly choke your high-tech production line and strangle your profits. So what's the solution? The mat. The mat machine is a semi-automatic multiple tag attacher that dramatically improves the efficiency of your tagging operation. The mat is simple to use yet powerful. It can handle up to 3 different size and shape tags at a time. The tags are fed to an attaching station where an operator positions the garment and actuates a palm switch securing the tags to the garment. As she removes the product, the machine quickly feeds the next set of tags and is ready for the next garment. The process is much more efficient than manual tagging, where the operator must hold the tags and then manipulate the gun and the garment. The mat machine is available in 5 different models, including 1, 2, or 3 tag versions, a tag and hook model, and a unit which prints and applies tags at the same time. The new generation of mat machines has self-adjusting magazines that make it easy to change tag sizes. To change tags, the operator simply inserts the new tags into the magazine. Loosens the screws holding the hopper to the table, positions the feeder arm with a tag over the needle, and then tightens the screws again to hold the hopper in place. Within minutes, the machine is ready to go. This makes the operator more productive, since there is no need to wait for a mechanic to make these adjustments. The production line keeps moving with minimal downtime between runs. The major advantage of the mat machine is speed. By taking the tags and the gun out of the operator's hand, the machine can keep up with even the fastest worker. Speed obviously depends on how your operation is organized, but user estimates range from a low of 1 garment every 5 seconds to speeds of up to 1 garment every 3 seconds. This translates into 480 dozen to 800 dozen garments per operator in an 8-hour day. This is 2 to 3 times the productivity of a single worker tagging manually. The mat machine can attach 2 or 3 tags as quickly and efficiently as 1. It is extremely difficult to manage multiple tags, pick up the gun, and then handle the garment. No worker attaching more than 1 tag manually can match the productivity levels of the mat machine. Because of its speed and ease of use, the mat machine is incredibly flexible. Since the operator can easily change tags, the mat is efficient even for short runs. Since the unit is small and portable, it can be moved wherever needed. The mat machine can be configured as a tabletop unit for use on smaller items like towels, lingerie, or socks. But it can also be positioned to handle large items like t-shirts or even dresses and jeans. The mat machine is also operator-friendly. Since the operator only handles the garment, it reduces fatigue and repetitive motions that can lead to carpal tunnel syndrome. The new generation of mat machines also includes ergonomically designed tilting tables that further reduce these risk factors. The bottom line for the mat machine is that it increases productivity and actually allows you to cut labor costs by employing fewer operators. The mat machine can justify your investment in reduced labor costs within just a few months. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what the users of the mat machine have to say.
It's been fantastic so far. It's been a big time saver and money cost saver also.
Have you found any difficulty in adjusting to different size tags?
No, not at all. When we first got it, we thought it was going to be a little bit more difficult than it actually is. As a matter of fact, most of the girls are pretty adept at it themselves now.
So you really don't require Brian, your mechanic, to come over
No,
to
he just set up the wires, the air tubes, and that's the last time we've seen him up here for a while.
Do you know what production you get on this compared to, like, when you were going by hand? Is it a savings of 1 girl or 2 girls? Or
I would say anywhere from 2 to 3 girls. Because at times, if we have something that has to go out quickly, we have to have, like I said, 3 or 4 girls attaching the tickets at once. This takes the place of that and can be done in the same amount of time.
We're speaking with Greg over at Haywen Textiles. Greg, how's the machine been for you people here?
It's been running very well. We're very happy with it.
Adjustments are pretty easy on the machine for different tag sizes when you switch tags.
It's basically no adjustment at all. It's just changing the tags. We haven't had a problem with it. We haven't needed to service it once.
Any idea on what your production savings might have been?
It's very hard for me to tell, but it's definitely sped up our ticketing process.
So it actually dramatically increased your hand production from the machine.
Yeah, it's triple, quadruple the manual time.
John, what happened with the Mat 1 when you first came in and showed it to us? We had an antiquated machine, frankly, that was very difficult for our operators to set up. And what the Mat 1 has done for us is made a simple machine that is very operator efficient. And what was happening to us, John, is the operators under the old machine were not doing short-run jobs on the old machine. Now, the new machine, the Mat 1, is so easy to do. Frankly, what they do is grab it, since it's faster, and do short-run jobs as well as long-run jobs. As you can see, we've moved the machine all over the floor with a long cord on it, and the girls move it around as they need to work. I really didn't do a cost analysis on it because it's a world of difference because the operators use it. And that's the important thing to us. It's easy to adjust. You can set in cards, hooks, move all sorts of different jobs, and we do a lot of medium to short range runs, and it's very efficient for that type of work.
And the operators have been able to make these adjustments themselves. They haven't been able to call the mechanic down.
Completely. We used to use mechanics to come in and help. They now do it for themselves, and of course that's a lot more efficient for us because we don't tie up a mechanic, and also we don't have as many maintenance problems as we had with the other machine.
These comments illustrate the tremendous benefits of using a Mat machine in a real-world production environment. Benefits that translate into real, measurable increases in productivity and reductions in cost. But the benefits don't end there. The new generation of Mat machines is even better. They include self-adjusting tag magazines, ergonomic table design, more operator workspace, and much more. All new features designed to yield even higher productivity and cost savings for you. And for applications where you need to print and apply tags in one operation, the new Mat print system is the solution. It can print multiple quantities or as few as one tag with size, style, price, and barcodes. It's the ideal replacement for the obsolete pin ticketing machine. So if you're tired of the tagging department bottleneck, experience the increased productivity and reduced costs that only the Mat machine can provide. The Mat machine, another innovative product from Texpak Incorporated, the leading supplier of tag attaching equipment, guns, needles, and fasteners to apparel manufacturers around the world.